Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of, this area was to have been the new Fatespen area built along the highway. It's built by the Unity Valley exit, and this area is known, this is the Monique area. This is right across from the Texaco gas station when you exit to go into Monique. But the name of the exit is Unity Valley. So what happened was, Fatespen was a vibrant food stop area between Ocherius and Kingston on the main road. Had over 30 stalls. Actually, it's still open. Some stalls are still there, although it's not as big as it used to be. And when the highway was being built now, there was concern that the traffic would use the highway, and so Fatespen wouldn't get as much customers. So they decided to build this area along the highway. Now this has 10 stalls. Of course, the entire area is empty. As you can see, it didn't work. That's the gas station across the road, and that's Highway 2000 north-south leg, the Kingston to Ocherius leg. So they had set up 10 stalls for the vendors, and that's the area straight ahead, where they could sell their jerk chicken, jerk pork. It was a very popular, Fatespen was a very popular food area on the journey. And that's a restroom area, that was a store, and they left some other stores. But it just didn't work out. And we've asked questions and we've gotten a few responses, although nothing official. But it was said that the vendors didn't want to pay the rent here because the rent was higher, and as such it didn't work out. But the highway doesn't have as much traffic as the east-west leg of the highway, but still, I mean, the traffic that used to stop in Fatespen has to go somewhere. But this is the area, and as you can see, it's abandoned. No business is here. I think the rest area is still open, but as you can see, there are no cars stopping there. Not sure if people even know it's open or even know that it's there. Alright guys, so let us know what you think. What you think they should do with this area. I think they should try and set it back up. Get some new tenants. I mean, the problem with this area, this location, is you can only access it when you're on the highway. If you're on the main road, you have to go through the toll plaza and pay toll to get here. That is a major drawback to the area, because if you could access this area without going through the toll plaza, it would have a lot more traffic. But this is that's how it's set up, because this toll structure is different. It's two different toll companies that operate the highways. The east-west leg, you pay toll when you're going through the toll plaza. Doesn't matter where you get on. It's one fixed rate when you're going through the toll plaza. With this highway now, you get a card when you're coming on the highway, and depending on the distance you travel, that's how much toll you pay. So it's two different things. Now this is the gas station at Texaco, and I have no idea what they were thinking when they built such a big gas station, because again, it's empty. Again, you can only access this gas station if you're on the toll road. It's a huge gas station, but as you can see, it's literally empty. I've never seen a lot of cars at this gas station before. Alright guys, so this is the Unity Valley exit. This is what's going on out here. Let us know what you think they could do to bring some life to this area. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.